Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Today I will share with you a quite incredible handbag I bought on Vestiaire Collective for like, allez, with the taxes, let's say $400. It's a bag from Salvatore Ferragamo. You guys know, if you're following my videos, you know I really love this brand, and I think it's a brand that don't get the credit it deserves. So if you don't know Salvatore Ferragamo, if you wanna know more about the brand, etc., just go check it out, because they have some amazing bags, especially the iconic top handle bag that I have unboxed a few days ago. And if you really want to have fun and find amazing colors, amazing designs, go check it out for vintage Salvatore Ferragamo, because they are amazing. And the one I'm gonna show you guys is a vintage one. And let me show you, because I am so excited about this bag. And when I saw it, I was like, I need it in my collection. So let me just take the box, because it's a huge one, like I cannot fit it. And of course I opened it already. Oops. I'll just 1 second, because I think you guys can see a little bit of it. So let me just take it and put this big box away. Whew. Still having my dust problem. So let me introduce to you to this beautiful, okay, it's huge, like, I don't know how I'm gonna call this, beautiful tote handbag, like, I don't know. And this bag is incredible, and I don't know, it's crazy. The bag is in Suede again. It's Suede again. Again, I'm really obsessed with Suede. So, as you can see, this is a vintage Salvatore Ferragamo bag. I will just put the camera a little bit back at the back, because, yeah, it's better like this. So this is a huge, this is a massive handbag. And if I went crazy about it, it's because I think the bag is really, really unique, because you have this, all these pockets, and it's real pockets. And you have like 4 of them. And when I saw it, I was like, this is the most perfect bag for travel. Because here, you know, you have this big pocket here. I'm sure you can, you know, fit your boarding pass. Here, I'm sure, let me just try. I think you can fit an iPhone. Let me just take mine. Alors, I have this. Yeah, you can see it's gonna fit, because it's pretty big, and it's quite a heavy bag, because my arm is hurting a little bit. So you have, you know, like passport, boarding pass, your phone, some little pocket for some cash or something. This bag is huge, huge, huge. Let's just have a look inside. So this is how it looks. You have like a big hole. You have oh, I have a pocket. Ah, yeah, it's from the seller. It's like, thank you for your purchase. So you have a big pocket here. Let me close it. And then at the front, oops, sorry, you have some pockets too. And you have a thing. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Like, let me show you guys. You have this thing here, It's like, I don't know, maybe if you, I don't know, to put like, if your, I don't know, if your phone, there is like, you know, like something, like a necklace or something, you can put it here, I don't know. All I can say is that this bag is huge. And I really love, sorry, my arm is hurting. I really love how special and unique this bag is. And I think it's gonna, I think the next time I travel, I'm gonna take this one because it's so convenient, you know, to have all these pockets outside the bag. You don't need to open it to get your stuff. I just love it. What do you guys think about? Okay, I cannot even fit it in the camera. Let me just, you know, try to do 1-2 more shots so you can see how big it is. So guys, what do you think about this huge and really special Ferragamo bag? As you can see, the little, you know, you have some mini gancini to close the pockets. And I think it's so well made. And so I have like, you know, it's suede, it's a mix of leather and suede. And I think she's really, really nice. And this is what I like about vintage and secondhand stuff. Because I'm sure I will not see this bag on someone else. This is what I like, having something unique from a brand like Salvatore Ferragamo. And yeah, knowing that I might be the only one on earth to have it. I saw one that was a little bit like this one, but it was just half of it. And it had like 3 pockets on eBay. I almost bought it, but I was like, you already have, you know, the big one. You don't need like those smaller ones. So I passed on this one. But yeah, I do really recommend you guys, or just put it on the floor because I look a little bit strange on camera. But yeah, I do really recommend you guys to go and check for vintage Ferragamo because they have some amazing and beautiful bags, and even the iconic top handle bag, if you want to get it, you can get it for a really good price on the vintage secondhand market. So let me know what you guys think about my new Ferragamo suede bag. And thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are enjoying these 31 days. And rendez-vous demain for another reveal. And voilà, bisous bisous. Je vous embrasse et je vous dis à demain. Bye.